Okay, guys, I wanted to welcome you to MOCA'S World. If you're new, welcome to the channel. So today I wanted to do this live feed to show you my MOCA'S World Merch and More gallery featuring my creative products. So here we are at the gallery. I'll include the link in the description section. So let's enter, and we see here some merch. This is the Balanced Body and Mind, Balanced Body, Mind and Soul collection. Here we have the She Was a Fearless Rose collection. Here we have for tarot lovers, the Sun Tarot collection. Here we have the Star Tarot collection. Here we have some drinkware with the Empress Tarot collection. Here we have Beautiful Places collection featuring different countries. And when you go to the links for this, you'll see various articles of clothing and wares with these individual logos. We have the I Love Kids for Orchid Lovers collection. We have the Mimi collection. These are items for teens, primarily teens, young dancers, leisure wear, sportswear, athletic wear, some homewares. Here we have the Me Athletic collections. That's collections 1 and 2. Here we have the Nella Apparel collections. This features streetwear, dance wear, leisure wear, all different kinds of wear for anyone that's into hoodies and beanies and bucket hats and sweatshirts and all of that stuff. So I also do tea time tarot readings. I do approximately one reading a month here on MOCA'S World, and I have my other channel, my main readings channel is True Oracles by MOCA. So if you haven't subscribed to that, please support and subscribe. I'm trying to grow that channel. But this channel, True Oracles by MOCA, is primarily for readings. On the MOCA'S World channel, we have a variety of other topics. So I also create Oracle and tarot card decks. So here are just some of the decks that I have. I have Healing Energy Guidance, Mirror Soul Guidance, Moods for Balanced Energy, Lotus Chakra Guidance, Spirit Animal Guidance, Ancestral Guidance. I have here Floracles by MOCA, Tea Time Affirmations by MOCA, Mandala Guidance by MOCA, Empress Energy Guidance by MOCA, Divine Feminine Affirmations, True Oracles by MOCA. A lot of these cards are, motivational. To some extent, they do give advice, sometimes fortune telling to, a lesser degree, but sometimes specific messages come out. It just depends on the card and the energies at the time. Here we have more Oracle and Tarot card decks. We have Affirmations for Divine Energy. We have Astro Numero Tarot, which is this one here. This deck here. That one is quite a special deck. It features the zodiac signs, numerology cards, and also the major arcana only from the tarot deck. So it's the Astro Numero Tarot deck. And we also have, on this side, we have Soul Path Tarot by MOCA, True Oracles Word Tarot. So for the new tarot reader, these are perfect because they have the keywords there. They're based on the traditional tarot, but perfect for the beginning reader if you're trying to, get into that. So next we have podcasts. I do real people, real experiences, real talk. That's the theme of my Moods, Minds, and Manifestations podcasts. I decided to do these podcasts because just from the people I know within my family and close friends, they're such interesting people, and I've done several podcasts already, and you should go check that out. That's also on the MOCA'S World YouTube channel under the podcast playlist. I have everything nicely separated by playlist. There's so many different topics that you can explore, but the topics that I explore are real world topics. They're meant to help others out there that have gone through similar situations, just real world scenarios. So, go check those out. I also create music. I write and compose music. And my songs, several of them are already available on Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Music, SoundCloud, YouTube Music, and Deezer. So I would love your support. So please add me to your streaming services. I'm not much of a vocalist. That's not my forte. I'm more of the songwriter. But many of these songs have been just laying around for over a decade, and I finally decided to self-publish. So I would love your support. I'm always hoping to maybe collaborate with a music producer and a really seasoned vocalist, but as of right now, I have not found those individuals. So if you know of anyone, or if you're that person, then do reach out. But for now, I decided to just put out the songs myself. And as I said, there's several different genres. So I've also written a few books that are on Amazon. We have here several books. The links for all of these will be included in the description section below the video. I'll have the link to this gallery itself, where everything all in one place, one-stop shopping, if you will. But I'll also have the individual links to these Amazon books. This one is Lotus Chakra, Floracles by Mocha. This one is my Mocha Bucha book, because I have a whole playlist of how to brew your own kombucha from scratch and creating different flavors and how to clean the containers, all of that. So I decided to put that in book format here. This one is the Astro Numero by Mocha Tarot book form that breaks down the whole meanings of the tarot cards that you saw before. This one is Healing Energy Guidance by Mocha that explores all the different healing gems and crystals and things like that, most of which I own. And this one is the Mirror Soul Guidance book by Mocha. You've also seen, I believe, the card decks that I have. This is just a book version of that are sold separately on Amazon. So I would love your support. Again, the links will be included in the description section below the video. And here I have some additional books. These are just some journal type books. These are all flowers that I've grown myself personally. We have some other Mandala by Mocha books. Those are line journals and sort of blank. There are some with blank pages more for sketching and things like that, sketchbooks. This one is a Divine Feminine journal. It's a lined journal. And we also have affirmations for divine energy, spiritual journal. So do check those out. And again, I would love your support. They also make great gifts. I also have Savory Sweet Vegetarian Eats by MOCA. So that's my first cookbook. Many of these recipes are found on the YouTube channel in the either in the holiday vlogs or the international foods and beverages playlist, because I have an extensive list of recipes and videos. So many of these recipes that are in video format are also in book format here. So would love your support. I also created a Learn Jamaican Patois with Me book, which is just a companion book to the YouTube videos. I have about 20 videos so far in my Learn Jamaican Patois with Me video series on YouTube. If you prefer to have the book format, or you can have both to read along, it just helps because I find, some people learn better when they're more visual learners, so they learn better with books. But this is also available in audiobook format, Kindle format, and paperback format, in addition to the videos. So I collaborated on this Get Fiscally Fit series, which is a simple guide to financial well-being. It's an 8-module seminar, and this seminar is actually paid through my membership setting on YouTube. There's an introductory video, so you can see just a little. It more or less highlights all of these things here. Module 1 is goal setting and managing your money. Module 2 is the importance of good spending habits. Module 3 is your credit and why it is important. Module 4, how to make a budget. Module 5, how to establish a savings plan. Module 6, 66 ways to save money. Module 7, banking services, an important step. And Module 8 is establishing and maintaining good credit. And as I said, this is a collaboration. It's actually with my mother, who is a certified HUD financial coach. She's really knowledgeable on this, and this is actually a series that she uses for her in-person seminar. We decided to make that in a video format, and it's really easy to follow. There's even a section that teaches kids or teaches the parents of children how to, prepare kids financially. So go check that out. Again, that's in my member section on the YouTube channel. So you can watch the introductory video. It just sort of gives a brief synopsis of everything. And if you're interested, you can just sign up and you'll get all 8 modules in that one for one low price. Here I have clean skincare, the microbiome clean skincare movement. And I'm just a retailer for these wonderful clean skincare products. They have core skincare treatments, very effective treatments. There's clean color makeup of all kinds. And it's really, really a good line. That's a True Aura brand. So if you're interested in that, any kind of consultations, I don't charge for consultations, but I really highly recommend these products. And again, I'll include the link for that in the description section. So next we have MOCA'S World, this channel. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and share with family and friends. I just want to show we have holiday vlogs, MOCA'S World Music. I've included clips of my music. There are several videos, also full videos of some of them that I did myself. This is a Get Fiscally Fit series. Everything is listed there. You can go through that playlist and just see. And I believe the first one is where you can actually see the breakdown of everything. This is my tea time tarot general energy readings. I do approximately one a month. Again, on my True Oracles by Mocha channel, I do several full readings and some shorts and things like that. So do check those out. These are just older readings that I've done. We have the Learn Jamaican Patois series here. Right now we have about 20 videos and they're very detailed, very easy to follow. Here we have product reviews, several really good product reviews there. I have a playlist of Yard Life that's more Jamaican oriented videos, many of which are included in the food vlogs here. We have Body, Mind, and Soul. This incorporates just general things to do with self-care and personal well-being and well-being of the family. So that's quite important. We have my podcast here. I've done several, like I said. We have Beautiful Places travel vlogs, and these are just from various places all over the world. And they're just so beautiful. And we have the actual international food and beverages playlist here, which incorporates just all my food videos. Here we have my extensive craft videos here, playlist, gardening playlist. This is my kombucha playlist, Mocha Bucha. This is really step-by-step various aspects of brewing your own kombucha. And I have an extensive playlist on orchids, which is just one of my favorite things to do. So do subscribe, join the channel, and I would love to just have you on board if you haven't already subscribed. So next, I have in recent times created a MOCA'S World Dreamers Kids channel. I'm a huge advocate for early childhood education. My own children were homeschooled. They're now over 18. And I just feel it's always important to start kids early on that learning, but in a really fun way. And I just really enjoy creating these videos, these skits. I've also created several books to go along with several stories. So essentially, the child would just watch the video and the read-along books, as I have here. All of these are read-along books that go with the videos. They're easy to follow, vibrant books, all available on Amazon. I also have a separate playlist of just the general learning videos, separate from the storybooks. So that's definitely, really something good for early learners. Again, here are the books. It just says and read-along books for kids. And these are the books I have so far. I've also created one recently. It's classic, I believe it's a classic nursery rhyme book for kids. So that goes over the traditional Mother Goose type book things. And those are also available in a video format to go along with the book. Again, here's a full list of the children's books that are available on Amazon that accompany the videos on YouTube. Here is the other new series I just added. It's Growing Up Sisterly, the story of two sisters that are always up to some kind of antics, usually challenges, things like that. Just really fun stuff for preteens maybe and teenagers. So this is the newest addition to the MOCA'S World Dreamers Kids channel. So if you know anyone, preteens, and teens, please share this with them. And yeah, we also have MOCA'S World's kids merch, and again, all of that will be included. So I want to just go show you. So again, have everything here. We have the merch that I showed you here. Let's see if I can scroll down. Okay. More merch. I have the Tea Time Tarot. That's the one reading that I have a month on MOCA'S World channel. And again, we have True Oracles by MOCA, where I have several readings a month, full readings, horoscopes, things like that. My Oracle and Tarot card decks, those are also available for sale. I also use many of them in the readings. Majority of the readings are my cards, but I do have additional ones that I've purchased from other creators. My podcasts are very informative and helpful. That's my goal, at least. So do check those out. We have really interesting live topics, as I said. I have music available online, streaming. I have books available on Amazon, different kinds of books for kids, self-help, things like that, cookbook, my Learn Jamaican Patois book, like I said, Get Fiscally Fit financial series. What's good also is if you, this seminar is really good for anybody just trying to improve their finances, but also my mom, who is the person I collaborated with, the certified, HUD certified financial coach. She does consultations and is really good with helping people to repair their credit, things like that. She also does taxes and things like that. So do check that out. If you're into clean skincare, I have the True Aura skin line, clean skin line, and let's see, MOCA'S World, various playlists that, I'm sure you'll find something, whether crafts, gardening, orchids, kombucha, cooking, learning Jamaican, just so many things that I'm really interested and passionate about. We have MOCA'S World Dreamers, kids channel, kids books that accompany many of the videos. And we have the new series, Growing Up Sisterly, for teens and preteens, and kids merch. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. And I would really love your support. Many of these items make really great gifts, whether for yourself or for your loved ones or friends. So this is my very first live. So I hope you found it informative, and I hope to be doing some more lives in the near future. So I wish you a wonderful holiday season. And again, if you are able to support, even if it's just subscribing to the channel, sharing the links with family and friends, liking and commenting on the videos, watching them, and or purchasing any of the items I have available for sale. So I wish you a wonderful rest of your day.